Good morning, everyone. I am Jonalyn Verdejo, and I'm here to discuss about Lawrence curve. What is Lawrence curve? Lawrence curve is a graphical representation of the distribution of income or wealth. It was developed by American economist Max O. Lawrence in 1905 for representing inequality of the wealth distribution. This curve visually shows the cumulative share of total income or wealth held by different percentile groups of the population. So let us define first income and wealth. So tingnan po natin ang graphical representation ng Lawrence curve. Dito po sa x-axis ay ang cumulative percentage of population at dito naman po sa y-axis ang cumulative percentage of income. So if let's assume that ang society po ay may pagkapantay-pantay na distribution po ng income. For example, 10% po ng populations ay nakakaroon ng 10% of income, and then 50% of population ay nakakakuha po ng 50% also ng income, ay magkakaroon po tayo ng line of a perfect equality. Ngunit, hindi po yun nangyayari sa totoong buhay dahil hindi po pantay-pantay ang mga income ng tao. So, magkakaroon po tayo ng Lawrence curve. So, again, this is the graphical representations po ng Lawrence curve. So, na-plot po dito in the minimal to 20%. And then, yung 40% po is down to just a 50%. 30% to 60%, kaya po nakaka-create po tayo ng Lawrence curve. So, base po dito, nagkano po tayo sa x-axis ng cumulative percent of population from the poorest to richest. And then, dito naman po sa y-axis, ang cumulative percent of income. So, sabi ko po nga, is most economies operates along a curve is called Lawrence curve. And in this curve, there's some inequality of the distribution that has been introduced. We use Lawrence curve to calculate the Gini coefficient. To determine the Gini coefficient, let us, the area above the Lawrence curve but below the line of the perfect equality is called A. The remaining area is called B. We divide A by A plus B to determine the Gini coefficient. So from this Lawrence curve, we can determine the Gini coefficient, where the area A is the inequality, and the A and B is the area of perfect equality. So we can show this here. Inequality divided by A plus B is the perfect equality. Inequality divided by perfect equality. So we can vary the Gini coefficient from 0 is the perfect equality and 1 is the perfect inequality. 0 means everyone has the same income. 1 means single individual receiving all the income. So, magkaroon po tayo ng inequality if meron po tayong 1 sa solution. The higher the coefficient, the more unequal the distribution is. So, if mas magko-curve po ito, or dyan po natin makikita ang unequal na distributions po ng income.